Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I do still think it's very clear that this is a wave 1, 2, 3. We are pretty much at that 161.8, but that is actually just a minimum target for a wave 3. Wave 3s can actually go way, way beyond that. At some point, we are going to have to make a corrective wave 4 and another push up for wave 5, but we really can't even say that the wave 3 is complete yet. So going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can see the wave 1, wave 2 that I showed on the monthly. Then this is all subdivisions of a wave 3, so like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and we're likely in that wave 5 of wave 3, which I think it needs to hit at least this 61.8 right around the 2550, 2560 area, potentially to end this wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, very overlapping, very corrective pattern that we're seeing right now, which makes us think that it's probably losing momentum to the upside. I think the wave 4 ends right here. I think this is a 1, 2, 3. This is likely a wave 4, and I think we need to push up to about that 61.8 for a wave 5 of wave 5, which is a wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, very, very, very overlapping, very sideways pattern. I see a couple possibilities here. Either this is already completed at ABC right here, and this is just going to keep on going up. But it's also possible how I have it labeled, like this is an A, this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a B, and it seems more likely that this is actually going to go down for a wave C to complete this ABC of 4 before it actually does end up continuing up for the wave 5. So I think it's more likely that it probably is going to go down. This is probably like a 1, 2 of wave C of wave 4. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. This is definitely impulsive, and it definitely has a breaker structure. This move up looks a little corrective, especially relative to the move down. So I'm watching these Fibonacci retracement levels very, very closely. If we get a Fibonacci bounce and a breaker structure at any one of these three levels, then I would definitely stop looking for longs and go back to looking for shorts. It doesn't have to happen at the 50%. I mean, it could go up to the 61.8, it could go up to the 78.6. That's why you need to just pay attention to your fib levels and wait patiently for a breaker structure, or go down to an even shorter time frame and continue to look for longs until you get that Fibonacci bounce with a breaker structure telling you that potentially this ABC correction is over, like a wave 2, a wave 1, and that is going down for a wave 3 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.